All right, what's this place at?
Larry's Music.
In downtown Hickory, North Carolina. Westbrook with CJ Anderson. This is a Westbrook elevator. Look how small this thing is. Unfortunately, you have to close the door manually. So, there we go. This door is so heavy. These are your fixtures right here. This is definitely another Westbrook elevator. Look how tiny this thing is. I could almost literally cram myself in here. All right, let's go into the basement. Listen to the motor. Here we go. Whoa! Oh, this is single speed. 1946. This is single speed traction. 2. This is definitely single speed traction elevator. Got the light switch. Definitely single speed top driven traction. There's a good view of these fixtures in 4K mode. There's a lot of storage in here. Look how tiny this thing is. This is a very small elevator. Can you see out that vent? I don't think you can. I might try something here. No, you can't really see why. I was just curious if you could see out there or not. But anyways, we're gonna go back down to one end there. These fixtures are exactly common like the ones I see in Roanoke. I mean, I've seen a lot of different brands use these exact same fixtures. We got American. Well, I don't know if American used these fixtures, but I know some other custom brands like Westbrook, Salem, Dominion, or I don't know. Actually, I'm not sure if Dominion used these fixtures, but I know for a fact both Salem and Westbrook use these exact same fixtures. And I've also seen these exact same fixtures somewhere in San Antonio in Andrew's video. I forgot the name of. But anyways, I want to get one last view of these fixtures. I want to get a full detailed view. These fixtures look exactly like the one at the Herman Heap Laboratory building before it was modded. Oh, you hear the relay. Yeah, these are definitely CJ Anderson fixtures. That orange call bell button. Now I suddenly realize this looks, that call bell button reminds me exactly like what the Herman Heap Laboratory building had. And I also have a same exact button panel at home, but the COP is different, but all the button core pieces are pretty much exactly the same. But they just don't have this rounded concave corner around it. So yeah, this is just a little bit of information. Alright, we're going to go ahead and open the door, and there's music out here, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the video fast. Doors are so heavy. See the bumper right there. There we go. There's Alex. Thank y'all so much for letting me ride this. Alright, with that being said, there it goes, and that will be it.